Hello everyone. In this video, we are asked to find the value of x. So we have that 4 to the power of x plus 2 to the power of x is equal to 20. Now, the first thing we do here is to express 4 in the power of base 2. So you know that 2 to the power of 2 is equal to 4. So therefore, we have here to become 2 to the power of 2 all to the power of x plus 2 to the power of x is equal to 20. Now at this point, from the power law of indices, we know that a to the power of m all to the power of n is equal to a to the power of n all to the power of m. So at this point, we can apply this rule here. So we have that this becomes 2 to the power of x all to the power of 2 plus 2 to the power of x is equal to 20. Now at this point, we can make a simple substitution. So we have that let p be equal to 2 to the power of x. Now at this point, the equation in terms of p becomes p squared plus p equal to 20. So therefore, this becomes p squared plus p minus 20 equal to 0. Now at this point, we have a quadratic equation in terms of p. So to find the values of p, we use the factorization method. So I will look at for two integers that their sum is equal to 1 and their product is equal to negative 20. So the two integers are plus 5 and minus 4. This is because 5 minus 4 is equal to 1 and 5 times minus 4 is equal to minus 20. So therefore, we have the equation to become p squared plus 5p minus 4p minus 20 equal to 0. So we can factorize by grouping terms. So therefore, from the first bracket, p is common. So we can factor out p. So we have p, open a bracket, p plus 5. Now, at the second bracket, 4 is common because 4 is a factor of 20. So we have minus 4, open a bracket, p plus 5 equal to 0. So we have now that p minus 4 multiplied by p plus 5 equal to 0. Now, recall that if a multiplied by b is equal to 0, it is true that a is equal to 0 or b is equal to 0. So therefore, we have that p minus 4 is equal to 0 or p plus 5 is equal to 0. Thus, at this point, p is equal to 4 or p is equal to negative 5. But recall that we substituted that let p be equal to 2 to the power of x. So therefore, at this point, for p equal to 4, we have it that 4 is equal to 2 to the power of x. Now, we can express 4 in the power of base 2. So we have that 2 to the power of 2 is equal to 2 to the power of x. Thus, since their bases are the same, we can equate their powers. So therefore, x is equal to 2. Also, for p equal to negative 5, we have it that negative 5 is equal to 2 to the power of x. Now, at this point, since the value at the left-hand side is a negative value, at this point, there is no solution. So therefore, x is equal to 2. Now, let's check if our value is correct. But then, the equation we are given is that 4 to the power of x plus 2 to the power of x is equal to 20. Now, the value of s is equal to 2, so we have that 4 to the power of 2 plus 2 to the power of 2 is equal to 20. Now, we know that 4 to the power of 2 is 16 plus 2 to the power of 2 is 4, and this is equal to 20. So, therefore, 20 is equal to 20. Thus, it's obvious that x is equal to 2. Thank you so much for watching. And if you know you found the video helpful, please encourage this channel by liking this video and subscribing to our channel. Thank you so much, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.